Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix BattleNet error BLZBNTAGT000008A4. The first thing to try is restarting the Battle.net application. Close it completely so it is not running in the background. Then open Battle.net again from your desktop or start menu and check if the error is gone. Sometimes, a simple restart is enough to clear the problem. If the error is still there, the next step is to repair the installation. Close Battle.net again and then open the Start menu. Search for Add or Remove Programs. In the list that appears, find Battle.net and click on it. You should see an option to uninstall or modify. If you have a modify or repair option, click it. This will start a process where the launcher checks its own files, looks for anything missing or broken, and replaces or repairs them. If the modify option is not available for you, then you should completely uninstall Battle.net and reinstall it. Go back to Add or Remove Programs, select Battle.net, and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts until it is removed from your computer. After that, open your web browser and go to the official Battle.net website. Download the latest version of the installer and run it. When the installation finishes, open Battle.net, log in with your account, and launch your game to test if the issue is resolved. By following these steps in order, you have the best chance of fixing the BLZBNTAGT000008A4 error and getting back to your games without further trouble. Thanks for watching.